Hertz X165 car speakers. These are budget-friendly speakers that can handle up to 220 watt of peak power each and 55 watt of RMS. So the driver's side speakers in my Mazda3 2015 is blown, and it's getting annoying listening to anything in my car. After the unboxing, I will be going through the process of replacing the speakers, so do stick around for that. I have to give shout out to Crutchfield here. It was an amazing experience buying from them. I received the speakers within 2 days, and they even provided me the mounting brackets for my car, along with the wiring harness and custom install instructions, all for free. I mean, you can't beat that. One of the main reasons I decided to go with these speakers is because of the 93 dB sensitivity. Since I'll be installing these speakers without an amplifier, they should perform really well with the power they will be getting from the standard head unit. Without further ado, let's move on to getting them installed and listen to how they sound. I'm about to replace the front door speakers on my Mazda3 2015. I've got the Hertz X165, the wiring harness, the brackets, and a bunch of tools that I don't know which ones I need just yet. I will post the ones that I use. Let's get started. First off, we're gonna take these flaps out. There's one down here as well. Hidden there is a Phillip head screw on both sides that we need to take out. Okay, save these for later. We're going to attempt to take this case out. I'm going to apply some pressure. Okay, there we go. We're gonna take this out. We got two wire harnesses down here and here. We can take a closer look. I'm going to try to take those out. There's a little notch there that I need to press. There we go. I need to remember which one goes back where. Okay, alright, we got the door out. Alright, I'm going to take the speaker out. Alright, I'm going to take the notches out of the bracket so that the 6.5 inch speaker fits in it. Alright. I'm going to align it with the holes and use the screws that it came with to install it. Alright, I've got the speaker installed on the bracket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the harness inside of that little hole up here. And just connect the pins. Okay, and the pins have connected. I'm gonna connect the wire back into the door. And we're gonna test the speaker out. Oh, and that is a success. It's working. Alright, the speaker has been installed, and now we're going to put the door back together. Okay. What?
Wait.
Okay, you gotta hear the click when you press those wires in. Okay. Alright. Just gotta align these. Let's go. I'm gonna try to align the holes here. Okay, this one. All right, that's secure. Put the flaps back in. There we go. Okay. Bada boom, bada bam. We can give it one more test.